Hello my dear fashion lovers and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Sézane styling video for you. Recently I did my first Sézane haul for 2026 and now in this video I would like to share with you some ideas on styling this beautiful shirt that I am wearing here, which is called Mariliss, and some other items. We're also going to have a look on pants and on dresses. But before we dive into today's subject, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my further videos. And now let's get started. So this is the beautiful shirt Mariliss, and the interesting thing about it is that it's not made out of linen, it's made out of 50% rami, which is also known as China grass. It's a natural fiber that is very similar to linen. It offers you the same qualities in the sense that it keeps you cool on hot days and that it also wrinkles in a similar way to linen. Now the good thing about this shirt is that it's black, so you do not see the wrinkles too badly. But of course, I had to iron it before putting it on. So this is a fact that you have to deal with when wearing linen or fabrics that are similar to linen. You always need to iron them before putting them on. And then of course, they're going to wrinkle throughout the day. But there's a difference between the wrinkles an item has when being taken out of the wardrobe and when wrinkling while being worn according to the way you move, which looks more natural and more elegant. Anyways, this is my first base. So I paired the shirt with a pair of culottes, black culottes, one of my favorites in my wardrobe. I've got these since many years. These are just a beautiful piece that offer a lot of versatility, and they are so old that I don't even know where I got them from in the first place. I have a new suede jacket that is going to definitely elevate this look. Let's try it out. This little beauty here is from Parfois, which is a Portuguese accessory brand that was new to me. I have never heard about it before, and then I came across the brand on Instagram. Somebody wore their pieces and I thought, oh my God, this is so beautiful. And then I checked it out and then I found this beautiful suede jacket. It has a beautiful camel color and let's put it on. Now, what I like about this ensemble is that we have the jacket that complements the dots of the blouse, and then we have the pants that complement the black color. It's a very soft leather, so we can take up the sleeves a little bit. And then we can wrap the sleeves of our shirt around our jacket, which makes it look super intentional. The good thing about this fabric is that it is quite sturdy. So it really holds up if you play around with it like I do here. So this is a very relaxed, breathable spring look that also feels very polished. I love the fact that we only have two colors in this outfit and that our shirt is the link between our bottom and our outer layer. Let's move on. Here we have a head-to-toe Sézane outfit. So this is Meliora, the suede skirt that I got in the fall and winter season. Last time I looked it up, they only had it in a very small and very big sizes and nothing in between. Let's see whether it comes back again or not. If not, they also have shorter items if this is of interest for you. I added a pair of suede kitten heels that complement the color of the skirt beautifully. And I went for a brown belt, a chocolate brown belt with the whole thing. In my opinion, the chocolate brown ties the whole look together beautifully because the chocolate brown for me is kind of a fusion between the black of the shirt and the camel color of the skirt and the polka dots, if that makes sense. And this is also a beautiful look for spring. On colder days, you could wear a blazer on top or a trench coat, and on warmer days, this is enough. Let me show you one last outfit for the shirt. On their website, they suggest wearing the shirt with a pair of denim. And the ones that they show is a pair of light wash denim. I think that a dark wash is always more elegant, so this is what I'm wearing here. My dark wash denim have camel seams. I don't know whether you can see it. Maybe here. And it's these little details that I love. So we have the camel seams with the camel polka dots, with the camel belt and the matching shoes. Paying attention to those little details really adds up. Like this, you make sure that your outfit looks very thoughtfully put together. And with the time, your eye becomes better and better in doing this. Personally, by no means I feel that I have arrived and that I'm now an expert. But honestly, I've been doing this now since 1.5 years on Instagram and 1 year on YouTube. And I can tell you that my style has evolved a lot since. Anyways, this is my denim interpretation for this shirt. A very sophisticated look. And by the way, wearing polka dots always makes me happy. I don't know why it is, but I feel this is such a happy pattern. So this is my last outfit for the shirt. I got these pants and I had high expectations on them. It's a beautiful color. It's viscose. The fabric has very silk-like qualities. And I thought it's just a perfect item to elevate my spring wardrobe. One of the possibilities to combine it would certainly be with this silk shirt from Lily Silk. We find the same colors in the shirt. And we can add a belt to this look. I must say, I feel that this look really works without a third piece. Nevertheless, here is it with a belt. And I really like it without the belt because it has such a beautiful cut. So you just see the way it's meant to be. Also, this is a really beautiful look in my opinion. Here we have a peplum waistcoat from H&M that instantly elevates the whole thing. It makes this outfit so business appropriate. This is just a perfect look for the office. It's not revealing. This look works because of the fabrics and the cuts. And it's so minimal, and this is really something I like a lot about it. Let's try it with a belt. This is a match made in heaven. Look at how these colors work together. Actually, this is also a Sézane belt, so maybe therefore it's not a surprise that the two colors harmonize that well. I love this minimal silhouette. It's just beautiful. And here we have another great spring look. So we have a cream top from Sézane. This is Jared that unfortunately is not available in this amazing color anymore, only in black and red. Cream pointed heels. And let's think about a third piece. Either we could add a belt, then I would go for a white one as I don't have a cream one, but I think we could elevate this look even a notch by adding a scarf, like this one here. One possibility is to wear it around the neck, but we can also wear it like a belt. Honestly, I like it better this way. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's move on to the white dress. So here we have a super beautiful basic white dress for spring and summer. Does this look a little boring? Yes. Can we elevate it? Yes. First of all, I would break the all-white look by adding some subtle color. A camel belt and a camel pair of shoes. And we have a leather belt here that gives more structure than the one that we had before. You could also unbutton it a little more. Like this, it becomes more breezy and summer appropriate or spring appropriate because we also do have warm days in spring. So this would be the first step. Want a little more color? A red sweater is always appropriate. Let's make it look a little more Mediterranean. I replaced the belt once again. Now I'm wearing a white leather belt. I added a silk scarf, but you know how it is. Spring is a little warm and then this color is quite closed. So the best way to wear a silk scarf and stay cool at the same time is by adding it to your hair. And a little blazer on top. This is from Goelia. I got it last autumn. This is a beautiful spring option for the dress. Or if you just want a subtle pop of color, go for a colorful bag. And this is what I have for you today. We have styled the polka dot shirt Mariliss, we have styled those beautiful terracotta viscose pants, and this amazing white dress. If you enjoyed today's content, then please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my further videos. See you in the next one. Stay stylish.